and welcome to Tax Your Brain, a quiz show which will tease, tantalize and test our contestants' grey cells over 3 different rounds. We've got some very young participants, young contestants from the 4 corners of the country. We have with us Team 1 from Jaipur. We have from the Savai Mansingh Vidyalaya Ayush Vaid and Hemant Sharma. Our second team is from Raipur, the Rajkumar College, Raipur. From Raipur, we have Amandeep Singh Oberoi and Anusha Pillai, our only lady contestant this evening. On our left, we have the Loyola School of Jamshedpur, a very famous city of Jamshedpur. We have Shubham and Sachin from Jamshedpur. And on Team 4, we have the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan from Mysore. The participants Hari Prasad and Sandeep. Before we move on to the question and answers, we will just explain the rounds to our viewers, to the participants and everyone watching this wherever you are. The quiz is going to be played over 3 rounds. After 2 rounds, the 2 teams with the lowest points will be eliminated and the final round will be played between the 2 remaining teams. The first round will be a round of general questions. The second round will be a buzzer round and the third and the final round is going to be rapid fire questions. Our first round is called the grey matter because after all it's all about the knowledge stored in your brain. Each team will be asked 1 question. You will get 30 seconds to answer. A correct answer will get you 20 points and an incorrect one will allow that question to be passed on to the next school. Remember, there is no negative points in it. If you answer the bonus question correctly, you get 10 points. Clear about the rules and regulations? Shall we start? The first question of this round, which will go to the Savai Mansingh Vidyalaya, Jaipur. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Which website is associated with a new venture called Zero, which will allow users to access it for free from their mobile devices?
HDFC?
The answer is incorrect. Question will have to be passed on to the next team, which is the Rajkumar College, Raipur. If you're able to answer it correctly, you'll get 10 bonus points.
Just dial.
Just dial. No, you're incorrect. Loyola School, Jamshedpur.
Facebook.
No, incorrect. Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Mysore.
Opera Mini.
Opera Mini. No, you're not right either. The right answer is Wikipedia. So it's not been a good beginning for our contestants this evening. None of the 4 teams and none of the 4 schools have been able to answer our first question. We will go to our second question and this time it will be Rajkumar College, Raipur. Remember, you've got 30 seconds to answer. So the question for the Rajkumar College, Raipur. Which winner of the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and the Dronacharya Award is currently coaching and mentoring Saina Nehwal?
Pullela Gopichand.
Pullela Gopichand, and she's absolutely right. She's got 20 points for her school. So the college, or rather the school from Raipur, opens the account for this evening and gets 20 points. Our next participant, the Loyola School, Jamshedpur. We have Shubham Agarwal and K.C. Sachin. Have your parents named you after Sachin or
Yes.
just a coincidence?
No, they named me after Sachin Tendulkar.
Named you after Sachin Tendulkar, so I presume he's your favorite player.
No, Rahul Dravid.
Your role model is Rahul Dravid and your favorite captains Ganguly and Dhoni. So you don't think Dravid's a good captain?
He's not better than you.
He's not?
Better than you.
He's not better than me. Hope Dravid's hearing that. Okay. The question for Loyola School Jamshedpur. Ever Youth, Neutralite and Sugar Free are brands of which pharma company? You have 30 seconds to answer the question. Your timer is on the screen. You will get to know how quickly the timer moves on.
Is it Piramal?
Wrong answer. Piramal is not the right answer. We move on to the next school, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Mysore.
Amway.
Answer is not correct either. The answer is not Amway. Jaipur.
Zydus Wellness.
It's not correct either. Rajkumar College, Raipur. Well, none of the 4 schools have been able to answer it correctly. The right answer is Kadila. So none of the schools get points in this round. We move on to the next question, which is for Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Mysore. We've got Hari Prasad and Sandeep. So here is the question for you. Which famous personality is said to have written in a letter John Baptist Leroy? He said that in this world nothing can be said to be certain except death and taxes. Who is that famous personality? Rest of the schools, keep the mind working, keep the brain ticking.
Leonard Robbins.
Leonard Robbins, I am afraid the answer is not correct. Go to Jaipur, Sawai Mansingh Vidyalaya.
Sir Adam Smith.
Got to be a bit louder.
Adam Smith.
Adam Smith, no. Rajkumar
Lincoln.
College.
Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln, no. Finally, Loyola School Jamshedpur. You need to open your account.
Winston Churchill.
Winston Churchill. No, it's incorrect. The right answer is Benjamin Franklin. He very rightly said, in this world, nothing can be said to be certain except death and taxes. With this, we've come to the end of our first round, and let's see what the brain scan has to show about your grey matter, which matters, and that's the scorecard. We have Rajkumar College, Raipur on 20. We have the school from Jaipur, the Sawai Mansingh Vidyalaya, not been able to open his account yet. And it's been the same for Loyola School Jamshedpur and Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Mysore, who are all on 0 points. So that was our first round and the easiest one. When we come back on the other side of the break, the teams will face the round of elimination, the buzzer round. So don't go away, because we still have to tax your brain.